Hey folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and look what I have found for you. We have a Chrysler Imperial, like an 81, 82, 83, somewhere along in there. And this is the second one this gentleman owns. This is his private junkyard. I'm friends with the fella that owns this junkyard. Now he wanted to take one of these and turn it into a drag racing car. And I remember him telling me something about the one he wanted had a Murata front end on it, and this clearly has a Murata front end on it. I think it's a little bit lighter than the Chrysler nose or something. There we go. It opened up. But he's going to strip this car, I believe, turn it into a drag car. So maybe one day down the road parts will be available. Not right now, but if you need parts, I've got one at my shop, silver with a red interior, that I may be able to help you out with some parts on it. We'll see. Let's check out that wheel. That's that nice wheel. They're like two of them on each side, each end. Now let's check out a Murata front end on an Imperial. Wait, that's the Cordoba LS. Yeah, look at there. Oh yeah, Cordoba LS. I remember now. Huh? I like the Imperial nose better, but that don't look bad. Cordoba LS nose on a Imperial. Oh, that's something, folks. If you ever wondered what that was going to look like, so I know a Murata would look just the same. Just wouldn't have the LS in the center. I think this is the car he's going to drag race. Almost probably. There's another one over there in the woods. I bet that's his parts car. So he won't sell any body parts. He may sell some interior parts off of it. Who knows when he's going to get to it, but I always thought when they did the LS, that should have been the 300. But they had this 379 that was based on the Cordoba. Had a grill like that, a crosshair grill. They should have continued to call them 300s. I think that's my personal opinion. Being a 300 fan and the heritage of the 300. 300 was a great automobile in its day. And it became a great automobile again in the 2000s. Why in the world they went with the LS for just that 1 year? Or was it 2 years? But I don't know. It looks different, that's for sure. That is going to trip some people up if he does get that to the drag strip, no doubt about it. They ain't going to have a clue what this thing is. They'll call it, I'm going to close that door. They'll call it a Tornado because of the way the back end looks. You know how to torque these Chryslers, these Imperials. Make sure that dog. This door does not want to close. There we go, folks. There comes my buddy. You got a big stick. You heard that dog barking. What took you so long to get back here? Oh, the way I came was fine. You had to step over a couple of buttholes. No problem at all. Let's see, folks. If we got road wheels, we do not. Got black steelies on this side, so I may talk to them about these road wheels for my collection. All right, folks, that's the end of that video, unless you want to see the minivan. Let me see what else is out here we can look at. Get back with you later.